So I'm Vittorio Banfi. I'm the co-founder of Cyberwave. What do? We make the world programmable. So if you try to build an AI integration to sort out your emails, it takes, we were seeing the other coding agent before, right? It takes a couple of days. If you try to make a physical agent to like sort out your physical mail, it takes 6 months, right? And it doesn't make sense. So we are here to fix it. So with Cyberwave, you get all of the drones, all of the robots, all of the sensors, all of the industrial robotic arms. They're all already integrated. Like there's a Go2 robotic dog. It's called Cacho. All right, and you can see the live stream there on the Cyberwave platform. Let me move it a little bit so you can also see our 3D environment here. Let me make it bigger. So what's the idea here? Right now, if you want to build something that involves a physical AI integration, it takes forever because every robot has its own system, has its own integration, has its own data sources, et cetera, et cetera. So you need like 6 specialists to build this. And it's kind of like trying to host your website before AWS or before the cloud. You can do that, but it's super painful. And so with Cyberwave instead is really, really simple. Like we have this is for the nerds of the crowd. We have a Python SDK that makes it super fast to use any robot. So this is an example on how to control this robotic dog here, but it's gonna be the same for drones. It's gonna be the same for a KUKA industrial arm that is bigger than me. It's gonna be the same for a small 3D printed robot. Once you learn how to use Cyberwave, you can program the world. That's the idea. And so today, I asked for the collaboration of Achille here, because I wanted to show you a very simple integration I did. So there's a couple of ways you can program with Cyberwave. I was showing you Python code. We also have what we call the workflows. So you can think of workflows. You can see them at the bottom. Like, let me make them bigger, I should say, also better. So you can think of workflows in Cyberwave. It's kind of NA10, but for the physical world, right? So you can chain logic and you can create complex stuff and you can run models on edge. So let me show you. If I go away from the microphone, people can't hear me, right? Okay. I can take it? Okay. So basically, just to show you the dog, right? Like we modded it. By the way, thanks to Fab Lab from Talent Garden for creating this. Big round of applause. I'm super excited about Fab Lab. They do a good job for us. So we added this custom part, and you can see here there's an NVIDIA GPU, so we can run additional models. Why is that interesting? Because with Cyberwave, you can build automations using cloud models like Claude, GPT, all the models you know, and others, of course. And you can also use it without changing your code, and then you can run some models on edge. So, for example, you can run on this dog, you can run a model to anonymize the faces, so you respect privacy, for example. I'm not doing that now, but you can. And then you can send the data in the cloud and have another model do that. It's super easy with Cyberwave. So let me show you an example. So right now I'm live streaming here. And okay, so you can see this is you guys. And I can turn it around and have it look at Achille here. It's very dangerous to go backwards because it does not like that. Okay, so now I built this workflow here, and that's the end of the demo. We're almost there. So what does this do? What does this do? When I'm gonna trigger it, it's gonna pick the frame from the video, and then it's gonna run a model. I choose the model you probably know because it's called GPT 5.5. And then the prompt for the model is everyone in the frame wearing a hard hat helmet? So let's let's try to see what happens here. So I'm just gonna thank you. So you're wearing it right now. I can say. So now I'm gonna trigger this and gonna remove some of this previous scary. Okay, I removed also the one I was gonna show you. Sorry, that was okay. Let me run this again. So you will see now in real time, Cyberwave is gonna pipe all of this information back to the cloud. And no, not everyone is wearing the hat, because I saw some people in the crowd there. You see? So let's try to. Well, I need to position this way. Now I can do the same. So you can do a lot of other stuff with Cyberwave, other than detecting people with helmets. Okay, yes, everyone visible is wearing the helmet now. You see? So it's super powerful stuff, and this is just a super simple example. You can also, for example, set up waypoints and have the dog move around autonomously. Right now, I'm handling it because it's a room full of people, and I didn't want to do autonomous navigation with you guys here. But you get the idea, right? So you can add waypoints like this. You just click like this, and you add a waypoint. Now I could ask in the workflow for the dog to navigate there. You can run other models, and you can mix and match with other stuff. I don't know how much time we got, because I also brought a drone to show you both, but I think I'm running out of time. So maybe I can show it afterwards. I don't know. Yeah. But yeah, this is Cyberwave. Thank you so much for listening. And yeah, if you have questions, I'll be here for the rest of the night. Thank you.